Hello and welcome back to the Go-Kart Racing YouTube page. Today I'm going to be working on getting the one broken tire off because I smacked it with an axe a couple thousand times. But I'm going to try and cut it with a metal cutter. It's a little Black & Decker handsaw, and I'm gonna see if that works. Probably won't work, but it's worth a shot. Yesterday I managed to get the one wheel and tire off, and then the other tire off, and everything. And this is what my axle comes down to. This is what's left. I need to get these two off. I can still use these. So I want to try and get this thing off right here. Right now it's not looking so good. I was trying to hammer it yesterday, but then I realized there's no way I'm going to be able to do that. But I definitely know that the axle is bent, because watch this. Well, if it turns, it won't even turn. But yeah. Anyways, I definitely know that it's bent. Right now I'm just going to try and bust through this thing with a handsaw, and also with a drill. Also, yesterday I just wanted to share this with everybody, or not yesterday, but a couple minutes ago. No, it was yesterday. Okay. Yesterday I was thinking, or I was talking about my grandfather and all that stuff, and I remembered something that my father said about halfway into the memorial service, and it's something I've kept with me my entire life, and well, ever since that. And it's just a quote that I've lived off of, basically, and that's what doesn't kill you can only make you stronger. And I remember him saying that, and that's pretty much what I go by. It's a good thing to follow. It's a good quote. But yeah, here we go.
Here we go.
Right about here, got it off a little bit with the handsaw. I'm gonna try and put a drill to it, see how that works out, okay? Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I am ready to drill this thing. Okay. Long way. There we go. And I'm gonna be ready. Yeah, exactly. Need to check on grease. Qualifying. Yeah, good. I'm gonna have to wait a little while. My drill and my handsaw I've run out of juice. So I'm gonna have to wait about 3 hours. I'll come back in a little while, and I think I can get it this time. I think it's just gonna, I'm gonna hammer it down there and it'll pop right off. But I hope you enjoyed this part 1, because I'm gonna put this up right now, and I'll put another one up later. But this is part 1. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time on the Ramsey Cole Racing YouTube page. Bye.